Today we're making Hrudka. As you can see, it's almost fully cooked. It's made in a double boiler. There's water in here. That's how you get the double boiler. And you put your egg milk mixture in this pot and you just keep stirring it until it all congeals. That's part one. We'll show you part two when I'm done. Now we're going to transfer the egg to 4 layers of cheesecloth. I'll show you what that looks like when we're done. Finish transferring the egg into the cheesecloth. Now we're going to wrap it up and make it tight. And here's the final result. I'm going to hang this down the cellar. First I have to trim all this cheesecloth off of it. It's kind of long. You just hang it by the rope down the cellar for a day, and it'll be ready for Easter tomorrow. Thanks for watching. And now we hang the Hrudka down the cellar. You want to put a pan or something underneath it because it is going to drip. All that water coming out of the egg. And we'll show you the recipe at the end of the video so you guys can know how to make this stuff.